So, y'all tripping. The video that I'm about to show you shows installation on my additional cup holders. But what I did find out toward the very end, talking about my inserts for my door handles, they do have on the bottom specifying which door it goes into. So I wanted to share that since we did cut it off kind of short, and I didn't want to make it seem as if it was a guessing game, which it wasn't. So anyway, enjoy the video. Thanks. Hey, like, share, subscribe please, and leave positive comments. Thanks. All right, this is going to be my first modification to the Bronco. I don't know, we'll see. Oh yes, I'm so excited about these. I'm always afraid I'm going to smash my drink when I put it in the net. Even though I have the other cup holders, of course I still need a little extra. And mind you, I'm not a professional. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. And of course I got the professional recording behind me. Do I have to do all of these? Undo them all, right? No? Okay. I just remove the screws and then attach that, right? Yep. Okay. See, I told y'all, that's gonna be awesome. And that's the wrong side. Oh, y'all, this is so simple. I was nervous. I was afraid I might mess something up. I definitely want to keep that net in there. So if I want to add papers or an additional to that, I can have it. Oh, and then I need to do it backward. Nope.
There you go.
Okay.
Run it in.
Huh?
Run it in until it clicks.
Okay. Is that what you mean by clicking?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm just going to do this side of the door on the modifications that I have. I also got the insert for the door handles so that, you know, if I was to put a cell phone or anything like that, it just won't fall through. And I don't know if these come with certain sides or not. You think that's right? It doesn't tell me which is what.